We must see.
So guess what now? It depends on a daily or a weekly basis. You get your photos and so forth. That's so rolling.
Alright, so if a man invests in a 100 chicken with you, how much for 100 chicks?
100 chicken, I have to say, well, at 12 grand now.
12,000. And you hard to find them. But at 12,000 for the investment.
That's the least.
How much for the feed and for grow?
The feed now.
Total for 100 chick over the time.
Over the period of time, we run them for the 7 weeks.
7 weeks.
The feed now alone going to cost you like, say 23 bag of feed, the most. So you look on 23 times 18. And sometimes it can be 23 times 1850. Because you have to go pay for jar. So you have to say 23 times 1850.
1850 when you say
1850 $1850 bag for the feed times 23 bag. So you look on like I'm a man stand there. At that moment, you know. 23 times 1850, which is $42,550.
So 42,000 plus the 12.
12, I give you. Call it 55 grand.
Divide that by 135.
135?
Yeah.
I give you 404.
404 approximate US feeding and chick. So now 55,000. What is the profit?
Where will get from that?
From that.
Alright. Me I look on when we raise 100 chicken, you see? So I'm spending basically 55 grand, right?
55 grand, yeah.
Alright, may I show you?
And you not even put your work time in there, water.
Work time in there.
And taxi, cab.
And support. So
average 60,000.
So average 60.
Average 65,000.
65 G.
Yeah.
Alright, now I'll show you a vibe now. Basically, if me raise 100 for, so me have 100 for, me I go do them times 4.5 times 4.5.
Each chicken is
4.5. May I give them 4.5, 4.5 pounds.
4.5 pounds for them weigh? For them weigh?
That's at the least may I give them.
Least?
The least.
But then we talk about,
They can weigh more.
you know, weigh about 8.
No, they're not. They're not. But may I give them
Depends.
7.
But me just show you just
So you get a number?
Just I get an average.
4.5 pounds.
So that means I may get 450.
1,000?
No, 450 weight.
Wait, 450 pounds
Weight
times 100.
No man, 450 pounds I get for the 100 chicken. Times $200 a pound. This is what you get. To 90 G.
90 G.
I remember saying
Or you put the lowest number.
yes, that you have to do.
Some got dead too.
But you can still look for your overhead. You cover your overhead, you know, and everything, you know.
Yeah.
So when time you minus even the 65 out of this.
Make us see.
Right?
Yeah.
65 out of this. Me left with 25 G within 2 months. After within the 7 weeks, me just say 2 months because me I say me get a week for like sell out. Take up all of my money then. So if me I spend, I remember you know, me not even have to, I say I'm me I do my thing, but still true you have to up and down and run out. That's why you say 65,000. I remember say me originally say 55. Right? But true you have to run up and down and
taxi, by feeding, clean pen, labor.
That. So if me can, so for instance, me I raise 400 chicken per month. Or even if I raise 400 chicken per month, you know, it would be 25 times 4, which is $100,000 every 2 months. Then tell me now, which bank will give me $100,000 every 2 months? I'll put $1 million in a fucking bank. Can I get $100,000 per month, per 2 months? I get $100,000 a year for $1 million. Tell me the truth, Kevin.
Are people happy with the chicken business here?
Oh, yeah, talk about man. They're right now if you need have.
So now that was 4.5 pounds. If you put that to now 7.
No, we would have put it
6.5
or even say 5. Well, then now go be a 6.5. You'll find chicken where we weigh 6 pounds.
6 average.
Because that's 7 weeks, me say no. Because basically when 7 weeks, me just kill out everything, stock up your freezer. So maybe you don't say between 5 and 6. Or maybe even put it at say 5.5. But you know you have some are go liquor than some.
Yeah, you have to average it.
So that's why I put it on average. So if me even put it on average, say 5 pounds. Right?
65,000 for make 25,000, that kind of tight. So make could put £6 and feed them up nice. So we say 6.
No, if me even put a 6 pound, would have to give them
6 times 400 extra week. Give them some time for sexy up.
But more than still have the extra week. No, more
feeding. How much feeding per week? How much bag per week?
Well, no, I wouldn't. So you would have to check it because guess what? If you put in 100 in there, when for the first 3 weeks, them now eat 10 bag of feeding. At the last 4 weeks, now them eat the feeding. For the first 3 weeks, they eat that good as eat 7 bag of feeding, the 100. Or 5-6 bag of feeding. But you see for the last couple of weeks, then just some of the time they might take all 1-2 bag a day.
The bigger they get, more they eat.
That is it. So the bigger them pallet get. But
that's why sometimes you want to get rid of them early because more feeding.
And some people don't like this big old rated for them want it on a range between, so them want it between 4 pounds and the high 6 pounds.
So you're the chicken master. So if me get somebody to work with you on a business, you can show so you can. So
if me always tell myself, if me can get somebody who me can work with, me can I do paperwork and I do transaction and make them say yes, I saw the layout stay. Just like how you see the concrete there, so I saw me put in the concrete and do everything. Then I don't have a problem. You understand me I say? Me always tell myself I don't, because at the same thing me I say to one of my friends from overseas and me I say, just because she kind of get stuck in a certain thing, why she not start out certain thing yet. Because that's the thing with me say, because I really want to go work with nobody again, because it's true. Me check out one, you must say a chauffeur, me check out one place here, they 120,000 a month for the place just to rent. And I'm not talk about month, I talk about like 3 weeks. And when me I look on here, I say then every 2 months, me I feel pay 240,000. And if me did have that raise chicken to blood clot, then know that better. And some of the time the place where I run, people are going stack, can't take this fan and all of that. And you can't be doing better than chicken on the farm.
Okay, it's more profitable.
It is more profitable.
And you have your time.
You have your time to do what you want to because you feed your chicken them and you can go to boom. If me I want catering for go do, go to boom and run and I go clear up here and come back and me have my chicken them alright. When me load up my pan them and load up more water pan them, I have to go back in there till a man or tomorrow. Simple as that.
It's a good business then.
But then that me I try to show you. But that's true, me not have, if me did have already cash now, Kevin, me not worry about nothing.
So 65,000 divide by 135, what that?
If you, as me saying, if you...
You said that was for 100.
That the 100, that would have been 100. So if you say start out one chicken business, because right now if me find myself with 120 to 130,000, I can go buy me feeding them and buy 200 chicken. You say me answer Rosie? And I say yes. I can make that lock. The feeding lock, medicine lock, everything lock. And I know say I can just set up woman. Anything I do else. I do in my space.
So you split the profit with your partner?
Simple. I just go to boom. And that's how you think of food. But if you don't start it out, so it don't make no sense. If you don't do it that way, it don't make any sense.
I'm gonna make someone reach out to you.
And there's the people that have to do what they do.
Because you have to test a man, you know.
Yeah.
You test him with 100.
You test him for know him.
You test him for know him.
Yeah.
Cause half of the chicken them dead.
Yeah, for sure prove and say that.
Cause now chicken foot has something sell too, you know.
Yeah,
so you have to calculate the liver too. So then now, but wait. So then him not calculate the foot yet. You know, calculate the liver. One time we did do a chicken foot. And if you know how much the foot I got sell for too.
Yeah.
Chicken foot soup out the road.
Because you can go so boom, you know, and say, you must up if you are a kid. It's basically because when you are a kid, you go pay probably 1 or 2 somebody for help. So you can either work out and say, boy, you know, so I go use the foot.
So you pay them for the day?
I use the foot.
They work at 30,000?
No man, 3,000.
3,000?
Basically, I go sell you understand? I go sell the foot for sort out whatever, sort out the people them or whatever. You understand? Because sometimes, you know, the foot can't sort out somebody in there.
Well, brother, it's worth. You say 135,000 at 200.
Can raise 200.
And then you have to just basically look on the 35,000, about 65,000 profit.
And
Then you have to divide that in two.
then, guess what? Say for instance, if me a deal
But I say 7 weeks.
hear me show. If me a deal with that, and remember say me I go have the foot them and live and so forth. I know nothing for me say alright, $40,000 for Kevin, you work with the 25.
Okay.
Because me had the foot them and so forth.
You have the foot and the liver.
Yeah,
So you give the person
And then remember
135,000.
say the other thing again, you know. Remember say we just work it out as 4.5 per pound. Suppose it reach 5 or 5 and over, then you know say it's a bigger profit margin. But then there's something they have to look for. But
Okay.
as I say, some of the people them not so real. So
I'll go match it. You have to try something with somebody who know what I'm do.
as I study this I work hard something else I think.
What is your most profitable farming you've ever done? Yam, chicken, hog,
Me nah
goat?
say the right now my best profitable thing right now I'm chicken. Because I say to mama already, I say, Mama, you know how much money I spend over bush? What do you plant? How much pound of carrot in it? And I spend over 40 grand, and trust me, when I reap up and go to the market, I never get back $14,000. Out of the whole of the time, I say I spend laser, spray, man for chop place, chemical for burn place, seed, every little thing. So you just can't know you doing so.
So you say you'll never do it again?
No man, I still do. I want thing, you know, Kevin, I not give up, you know. And when I lie down this to blood clot and I just plan the whole house and then cover everything right now. I still a clean up the back and I try. Alright, I know I sober back again. I true me not have. If I have the money right, I know if you go tomorrow and buy one pack.
You buy carrot again?
Then the land over the clean up, I know burn up the land again already. At that the thing, Kevin, if me did have it.
So if you put 40,000, so at one point, why did the 40,000 not succeed?
Then alright, here we know. You know what freaked me out this time? The weather. Yes, baby. Huh?
Who the?
The weather. And the weather freaked me out this time. I'm going for real far with it.
Got it.
Yes.
See it there, people.